Westermans here again with another 500 kilo Bode Rotilt. Table diameter on this one I believe is 900, but let's just make sure. So no, table diameter on this one is 1 meter in diameter. So the manual tilt. Which will actually go all the way back on itself. Ideal for doing flange to pipe. You can actually get into the machine. Machine's actually single phase. Variable speed forwards and reverse. Machine will be sold as seen or serviced to order with warranty. More details available on this and others on westermans.com. Thank you for looking.